Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. My name is Candace, and if you are new here, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that bell notification so that you will know when I'm uploading my newest videos. Now let's get into the video today. Now before I take this hair out, so I've had this installed in for almost a month now. Well, really it's been a month, because I put it in literally the weekend before 4th of July. So y'all see me what I look like, right? So this is some hair, and I'm gonna put up a video of what it looks like when I got it. I have been wearing this hair for about a month now, and before I take it out, because I'm going to do another style, I just want to just show y'all what it looks like. I have literally done not really a lot of maintenance to this. Like, I have been sleeping in a bonnet, like not even twisting it up. And in the very beginning, the first like week, 2 weeks, I was twisting it up at night. And then sometimes I just get lazy and I just pull it all up in a pineapple and wet it in the morning and go. But these past 2.5 weeks, I just been lazy. I'll just throw on a bonnet, and this is still what the curls look like. This is still what the curls look like. Now, I have not done any blending to my leave out. The only part I got left out is this part. That's the only thing that I have left out. Now, sometimes I will just flat twist this down, or sometimes I'll go in with my iron like so. And I don't know which one I don't know what size this one is. It's the titanium, but it's the pencil. So it's the pencil titanium styler by Red. And this is great for like when you are trying to blend in your curls. Now, the way I have been wearing it has been mainly down. And then in the middle, which is gone because I ain't did nothing to it, but I did the crochet part. So I sewed the tracks in 2 braids and took the loose hair and crocheted it through and pulled it over so that you can't tell right here. Now, at first, I did leave this part out. But y'all, I got tired. It was too much leave out. It was too, y'all already know the whole thing about having leave out and curly hair in the summertime is crazy, right? So unless I was doing like a kinky curly type of hair, the maintenance of trying to blend was a lot. I was able to do pretty good with just having the edges out, because at least I could, if I wanted to, you know, I could do a half up, half down. That part, as you can see, that part done grown up. But I could do a half up, half down just fine. And also, I could wear a headband if I need to, right? I could do a flip over, sew in, and be fine with it, right? So that's why I left just the edge out, because if I wanted to wear it flipped over to the side or flip over to that side or a little bit half up, half down, I still could. Or I could still wear it in the middle and do like some type of braiding thing coming back, that type of thing. So that's why I did that. But I'm tired of trying to blend, even with, you know, foaming it and flat twisting it down. I'm over it, right? So I'm getting ready to do something different. Y'all stay tuned for that, because that's gonna be a cute hairstyle. But I'm gonna be doing something different. So I just wanted to really kind of loosely go over the quality of this hair, because I'm actually kind of a little bit impressed. Y'all know how it usually be like a ratted mess up under here. And considering I have not done any like or not straight twist. I haven't done any like flat twisting in about 2.5 weeks. I literally have been either pineappling it up or putting it in a low ponytail and just throwing a bun on. That's all I've been doing. And sometimes I'll wake up and spray and maybe go through it. And a lot of times I won't. And it just gives me a more natural look, especially if I'm just taking a headband, throwing that headband on like so. Put my little weave out. I ain't gotta do nothing to this. Y'all can see I ain't gotta do nothing to it. Girls, it's not stiff. Y'all know how sometimes you bend over and that hair be like whoop. Yep. As you can see, that hair ain't doing none of that. And this is 2.5 bundles. This is 2.5 bundles. So then this is the Burmese curly. Y'all already know all this stuff is linked in the description. But I just want to come on here and let y'all know that if you are looking for some Burmese curly bundles, these are actually pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it's, let me show y'all real quick what it looks like when it's wet. It gives you such a beautiful curl when it's wet. I don't know if y'all can see that curl. Great curl. It's a good wet look. And like I said, y'all, I'm impressed with it because it does have shedding. There is some shedding, but for the price that you pay, for how many bundles that you get, for the lengths that you get, I'll take the shedding, okay? I will take the shedding. Y'all see that curl? Love it, love it. So yes, I just wanted to come on here and give my full review of this hair because this is definitely, I'm gonna keep this hair. I'm about to take it out, but I'm gonna keep it. And yeah, everything will be linked in the description below. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.